8 things you should never do after meals. What do you usually do after meals? Do you go to sleep right away, exercise, shower, or whatever? Do you know that certain things you do after meals are not healthy for you? In this video, you will learn several things you probably should not be doing after a meal. After a meal, you need to allow your body to focus on digestion. Otherwise, you might end up with stomach and gut issues, as well as a host of other conditions that stem from chronic indigestion. The problem is, there are things we commonly do after eating that we think might help, but has terrible effects. To boost digestion and absorb all the nutrients you can from every meal, here are 8 things you should never do after you eat. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables might seem like a healthy way to cleanse your palate after a meal, but their fiber content could get in the way of proper digestion if you are eating them on top of a meal. Additionally, many fruits are filled with fructose, which could cause bloating if eaten when the stomach is already full. 2. Drink tea. Drinking tea after eating is a common habit because it has been proven to boost metabolic processes and aid proper digestion. But tea is also known to keep the body from absorbing iron from your food. So, according to a study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2017, you should drink tea after at least an hour after eating meals to minimize the risk of anemia and other iron deficiency-related illnesses. 3. Smoke cigarettes. Smoking cigarettes is harmful in any situation, but is especially damaging when done after meals. According to the University of Rochester Medical Center, smoking can lead to a number of digestive issues, including peptic ulcers and heartburn. It could also put you at higher risk for irritable bowel syndrome, colitis, and cancers related to the digestive system. 4. Exercise. Many people go for a walk or limber up right after having a meal because they think it'll help boost their metabolism or speed up their digestion. But this is a bad idea because it puts you at a higher risk of indigestion, acid reflux, and digestive distress. Strenuous exercise has even worse effects. Please wait at least an hour after eating before engaging in any physical activity to make sure it does not affect your digestion. 5. Take a shower. Taking a shower after a meal might not seem like a bad idea. It might not even look like those two activities have anything to do with each other. But when you shower, your blood flow focuses on controlling the temperature of your skin. That takes away from the energy it takes to digest your food efficiently. That's why it's always best to wait at least 30 minutes after eating before you jump into the shower. 6. Brush your teeth. Many people brush their teeth after eating in order to remove remaining food particles and avoid cavities. But when you eat, acids remain in your mouth and teeth. When you brush your teeth immediately after eating, your toothbrush causes an abrasive effect on dentin that's already softened by acid. That leads to demineralization, which leads to cavities and weakened teeth. So wait at least 30 minutes after eating so the acids from your food and body have time to neutralize before you brush your teeth. 7. Drink cold water. There is plenty of conflicting opinions about drinking water with and after meals. While some say it could help flush out toxins, others believe it could dilute stomach enzymes and could make them less effective. Cold water might especially be detrimental because the body uses additional energy to warm it up to internal body temperature. That energy is better used for digestion. 8. Lie down. Feeling drowsy after a heavy meal might make you feel like it's the perfect time for a nap. But lying down after eating can cause serious harm. Your digestive juices could flow into your esophagus and cause it to burn or become inflamed. That will also divert gastric juices from your stomach and cause indigestion. These 8 things you should never do after meals are common misconceptions that many people follow. They could lead to poor digestion, improper absorption of nutrients, weight gain, and several other health issues. Because there are many myths about what you should do after eating, always make sure you do your research before believing advice to be true. following our study references so you can do your own research. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.